Hello guys, this is Aditya and you're watching Super Maniac, and today's video I'm going on a long drive after really long time. That's probably after 5 to 6 months, because of this quarantine and this whole lockdown situation going on right now. Anyways, I'll take you along with me on this ride. So let's pack and keep rolling. Three most important things right now for a trip: mask, sanitizer, and earphones. Cannot forget these. Okay, so let's start the drive. So today we had planned to go to this place called Art of Living, and probably you might have heard of it. This is like a really great place to go and meditate in, and the environment is like really peaceful, and it is really calming, I would say, because you actually need that kind of thing after all this quarantine and this lockdown situation going on around you. So we thought we could go there, but later we got to know that this place is actually closed right now and no one is allowed to go inside because of quarantine. And supposedly this Art of Living center will open after January or something like that. So probably next time or the next trip we might go there, but this time we are not going, and we'll search for some other place probably, and let's see where else we can go. So I searched this place just now, something called Manigiri Dam or something like that. Wait, that's a bar in middle of nowhere. Anywho, I searched this place on Google just now, so we are actually heading towards it. So meet you there. So we just took a small break right now. We'll have some snacks and then we'll go on to a ride again. But before that, I am having this feeling I just really wanna go inside this forest. So let's move ahead. Damn, this place is pretty vast. This is a great place for photo shoot, I would say. This is somewhat like a movie set. So I'll just take few photos and see you on the other side. So tell me if you find this place familiar, that if you have seen Stranger Things, you might. Because this is somewhat a similar place where the Demogorgon comes and take Will, or it was kidnapped by Demogorgon. You can just tell me in the comment section below if you find this place similar to that forest where Will got kidnapped. Anywho, now I'll be just moving away because I heard few people screaming behind. So I think this is a private land and not just random forest, I guess. So hopefully you are actually able to see that mountain in front of you right there. So we are actually heading towards it only, and there is supposed to be a dam or a lake. So let's meet you there. So we have reached here, and this place is actually called Manin Nagara Dam, perhaps, I guess. Anyways, this place, as you can see, is literally beautiful and it is really peaceful. The environment is like really clean, and perhaps we'll be able to see a bridge in front of us. We'll be going there in a second. But before that, a warning: if you ever come here, never touch these wires. I just got electrocuted from these. They have high voltage of electricity. The view is just amazing. I haven't seen anything like this from past 5 to 6 months. I can just sit here for hours and watch it. So this lake is actually surrounded with all the mountains around, as you can see in the background, and the water is pretty fresh. So there are also fishes. I just saw a few of them in the water. It is pretty windy up here, so I'll just head down. This place is pretty great, I would say, for campers, because you can just put a tent here and see the sunrise or sunset, or even if you stay up here late till evening or something like that, you can do the stargazing with bonfire. That would be a wonderful experience according to me. And about the safety, this place is pretty safe because there is a village adjoining here. You can just go whenever you want to. It's nothing too wild. Anyways, we were there in front, as you can see, and now we just came down. And probably I'm not sure if you are actually able to see the nets in the water, but it is freshwater lake, so people do fish here. So these are fishing nets here. Basically, it's a great place to visit, I would say. And enough of the talk, let's pound few stones. Am I visible in the frame? It's fine. Okay. Okay, you know how fun it is to throw stones and pebbles into water and see them bounce around. After doing all this stuff, I thought, what if I throw this smartphone into the water?
and see what happened next. Will it survive or not? Anyway, I gave it a try. I threw this smartphone into water, and again to mention that this phone only survives till 1 meter because it is IP rated to only 1 meter, which means it would survive till 1 meter. But after 1 meter, I was not really sure. But anyways, I gave it a try. I threw it into the water, and guess what? It literally survived, and I'm actually recording it from the very same phone which I threw it into water. And this is actually iPhone SE2, which survived the throw and the splash together.
Okay, so we just left the Manigiri Dam, and it was pretty great place to be honest, and the environment was like really cool. Anyways, now we have decided to go to Wonderla. That's a theme park right here in Bangalore. So meet you there. Okay, so we just reached Wonderla, and to be honest, this is my first ever time here, and on the very first time, this park is closed, and we are actually not allowed to go inside because of this lockdown. Kinda hate it, but anywho, we asked the guard, and he allowed us in for a few minutes. So this was pretty much. Okay, so my camera's battery died, and I just found the spare battery. It was pretty difficult to find it in all the mess right now. Anyways, it was sort of bummer that the Wonderla was closed, and I also went to Art of Living, even that was closed. So, in short, it was sort of a good trip, but it would have been better if they were open. Let's call it a day, guys. This was all for today's video. Hopefully you liked it. Make sure to subscribe my channel, give this video a thumbs up. Also, I upload video every Thursday and Saturday. This is Supermaniac signing out.